I want to show you how other people are making money online. This method is interesting. As always, my videos here will always find you ways to make money online which are interesting and easy to do. You will not be required to do any selling, nor will you need to carry weight on your head that requires you to plead people to buy something from you. Before I tell you about this platform, I want to welcome you to Money Heist, where I show you ways of earning money online. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to be notified for the new videos like this in the future. Now, let me tell you something. I have tried this method, and you know what I will say? Yes, it worked like a charm. How amazing to see your PayPal account updated with money, and sometimes we are in dire need of cash. This here makes us around $600 a day. You will not need to show your face on the camera, and yes, this method is absolutely free. My secret to earning quick and easy money online. You don't need to learn anything, just watch my video, and as a beginner you'll have a method of making a passive income using this method. I always say the methods I show you will not make you rich, but will just earn you enough to start something. With this method, you will literally make money on your first day as a beginner. I have provided you with links down below under the description. I want you to go and click open. Don't worry, it's not a scam, nor will you need to invest anything except your time on this video, and then the method. It is absolutely free. Once you open the link, I want you to go and sign up to their affiliate program. This is where we will be focusing on. Here in this video, we will be signing into 2 affiliate programs where we will use these on another platform. Don't be perplexed. I know it's confusing, but hey, just follow my video and you will learn my strategy, where I will teach how exactly you will be making a lot of passive income. You will earn about $8 on one account sign up. Let's say if 50 people sign up, that will jump you around $400. So if someone clicks on your affiliate link, you will be making commissions. So go sign up with your information, with your legal name along with the right email and a password. Also enter the payment information where you would like to get paid. Once you have made your account, I want you to go and grab your affiliate link from this platform. Remember, you will only get the affiliate link once you've signed up. Now, you can send this to your friends. I will be telling you how you can reach thousands and thousands of people for absolutely free, which will not require any social media presence, meaning no need of Facebook or Instagram or YouTube videos or anything such. It will be your own unique traffic source, and this is something you will like. And I mean it. You will literally get paid, and you will not need to pay for any traffic. You will be getting paid for them driving traffic to your link. Sounds crazy, right? The second platform link has also been provided under the description as well. This platform is like a landing page builder that can help your customers get up to 400% more conversions. And do you know what that actually means for businessmen and entrepreneurs? Is that they're getting a lot of returns on investment just with this platform. You can get more from a digital ad because this is a great tool. So now you have to join their affiliate program as well. I mean the second platform that I've provided. Just go sign up for their affiliate program. Again, need not to worry, this is not a spam, and I have tried this site. Plus, this will work best with the platform. So go on ahead and join with your valid details. So need not to worry, again, this is not a scam. This second platform is like the ClickFunnels, but I believe it is a little bit better than that because this gives you better results, around 400 more conversions. That's huge. They have different plans on the website from monthly to yearly, and depending upon how people want to use this, they can choose the plan. They will pay you commission depending on the plan one chooses. For instance, a 1-month plan for $199, and you get a portion of the commission, which I've heard is around $90. So they will pay you commission depending on the plans they choose. So with both combined, from platform 1 and platform 2, you can make around a good $90 per sign up. Amazing, right? Like literally the easiest 19 bucks you could ever think of. But this doesn't stop here. If they keep paying for the payment plan, you will receive a recurring $30 commission every single month. That means if someone buys 1 year worth of plan, you get $30 every month. Since we are building a business around this, we will sort of multiply these $30 into multiple accounts and have people use this tool for years, giving you a good amount of money. So let's just think of it. You've got like 5 people, that increases up to $150. If you got 50 people buying it for a year, it's $1,500 a month. One hit and you will forget about doing this and just go to your bank and cash this, whether it be coming into your PayPal account or wherever you choose to get paid. So not only will you make around $90 of the first sign up for that account, but you will make around $30 for each of the account that signs up with the payment plan. Now we are at the most important part of the video. So I bought a course recently on affiliate marketing. No, you will not have to buy any course, since I promised you that you won't be investing any money. So anyway, I was listening to the lecture and they said that we required 2 tools and they had their affiliate links under the Udemy course. I want you to create a training video, but need not to worry. All you need to do is go to this link, discudemy.com, and grab an affiliate marketing course for free. Next, you need to basically copy the course, but make sure you recreate it in your own words. Like, use a screen recorder, record that part of the video, but add your own voice with your own words. Once you're done, include these 2 tools and their affiliate links under the Udemy description. So whenever somebody comes, they click on your affiliate link and they're redirected. So if they buy something like a payment plan, they choose a payment plan, or they sign up to the first platform, what will happen? It will give you a good amount in hand, and if they buy a payment plan, well, you get paid by the month. Not only will Udemy make sure you're getting the traffic, they will also pay you for the course, like $4 to $5 per person. Plus, you will be selling your affiliate links and making around $90 per sign up. Easy peasy. Plus the $30 per month. Wow. This is money making in complete autopilot. You would not need to worry about it, and once people start watching your videos, you will start making money. If you like the video, do hit the thumbs up button, and if you have any comments, just type it down below. I want you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of videos such as this in the future. This is it from Money Heist, and I will see you next time.